Alright, so since there's nothing underneath it, we're going to put it over 1. Okay, so I just want to go through the steps. Steps are the same. Alright, so what's going to be our a squared? 16 or 1? 16, good. So we want a, so we take the square root of both sides. So a is equal to plus or minus 4. Now, is it going to be 0, 4, or 4, 0?
How do you know what is 0, 4?
Okay, what's it underneath? It's underneath y. So that's going to be a y number. So x is 0 and y is 4. Alright, you see how this is underneath y? The 16? Right here. 16 is underneath y squared. Okay? And so that's why the 4 is in the y location. So that'd be 0 and then negative 4 as well. Okay? So that would be our vertices. So then our co-vertices has to be on the other axis. But the smaller of the two here, again, is 1. So b squared is equal to 1. Take the square root. B is equal to plus or minus 1. So now, is this going to be in the x or the y? Alright, x. That's going to be x. 1, 0, and negative 1, 0. So that's our co-vertices. And another one, c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay, so it's always going to be the 16 minus 1. It's always the larger one minus the smaller one anyway. So we end up with 15. Okay, and then we take the square root of both sides. So c is equal to plus or minus square root of 15. And you can't break 15 into anything else because that'd be 5 and 3. So we'll just leave it as plus or minus square root of 15. Okay, now this one matches up to the vertices. So it'll have 0 and square root of 15 and 0 negative square root of 15. Again, this one's always on the same axis as the vertices. Alright, and then to graph it, I'm going up and down to 4, so that's 2 more points. And then 1 and negative 1. And then, so that's our ellipse.